What's up, OJ Squad? My name's Daddy Kid OG today. B2, my name's Daddy Kid OG today. B2, my name's Daddy Kid OG today. What's up, YouTube? My name's Daddy Kid OG today. What's up, YouTube? My name's Daddy Kid OG. THTHT, KIKID. We're gonna have to try this again. OJ, THTHT, KIKID. Yeah, OJ, THTHT, KIKID. Yeah, OJ, THTHT, KIKID. Yeah, OJ. What's up, YouTube? So today we about to go somewhere in Georgia, and I know we gotta climb, so that's all I know. But I'm gonna be going with my family. Hopefully we're gonna have a good time there. I know we're gonna have a good time there, and I just want to take y'all along. So let's go. Good. Stopping to get some gas right now. Apparently it's gonna be like a 2-hour drive, so it's crazy. They didn't tell me all that when I came in this car, but I mean, I guess we is going to Georgia. So we about to buy everything out the store. All right, first. This mask, I like this mask, bro. All right, let's go. First thing on the list, we gotta get some. We had that candy on. But I want these. These and some gum. Yep, these and some gum, and I'll be good. You want to tell people where we're going today?
What?
You want to tell them where we're going today?
You want me to tell them?
Tell them.
Are you on the video now? You recording now?
Yep.
Oh, we're going to the mini Grand Canyon located in Georgia.
It's gonna be a good day.
Of course, we're gonna. It's the family, and we're going out to do some exciting activities.
Okay, Dad, you gonna have a good day today, Dad?
Today is gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
Yes, it's gonna be awesome.
Right. Let's see.
You can or you start right here. It's better right here because
Okay.
it's like that's narrow down there.
Okay, thank you. All right.
We getting out right here. Yo. We're gonna start this trip off like this. We ain't get to the mountains yet, but soon we will. But let's go. See that? King. This place is called Mini Grand Canyons. So, Miss King. Soon we'll be going over there. All the way over there. I'm gonna take y'all with me. No?
This the end of here.
This the end?
End of the trail right
I mean,
here.
yeah, end of the trail.
Then we flat ground.
Flat ground. Yes, there's been so many rocks right there.
Yep.
Yep.
A little stream.
It's a stream.
We got a little water. I'll walk
Water.
the so I'm getting there.
Oh, walking there. You go first, Dad. Courtney got white shoes. Oh. She got white shoes on, Dad. I told her. I was like, what?
Yeah, she should have done it.
And those was fresh, too.
That's the she gonna learn. Learn next time.
Yep. It's a beautiful day, isn't it, Mom?
Yes, very gorgeous outside.
You like it today?
Not that hot down here in the canyons. It's really cool, and there's lots of shade.
That's a shame.
Yes, lots of shade.
All right, we didn't even get to the good part yet. We're just walking right now. Let's go there.
Mom, you want to record, Mom?
I may go like a little portion just to get a picture, but that's it.
We gotta go hide now, Dad. Oh.
While you some narration.
Bro, it's so high up. Oh, look at that. Woo. That's where I'm about to go. Oh. Woo. Yo. Dang. I gotta run. Oh. Man. I'm gonna split my pants. You need help, Dad?
See right here? No, I'm filming too. See all the people here.
Courtney, was that a struggle?
That was steep.
Pictures, videoing.
Yo, it's crazy here. Come to Georgia, Grand Canyon Park, if you want to see this yourself. You know?
Yeah, that's beautiful there.
Let's go.
Where?
Up there.
Oh, we're talking about that club.
Oh, this big king. Are we climbing this? Oh my. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at him down there. Woo. Loki. Loki. Woo. Had to take a breath. I ain't never been like this before. Oh my gosh. Yo, they see me. Hey. They better come over here. I don't know. I'll show y'all when I reach the top. You ready, Dad?
Go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Up on the climb.
Up on the climb.
Uphill climb.
Would you say this is a nature vlog, Dad?
Yeah, we'll call it nature walk. She's gonna get on the roller coaster. Great. Behind me, Jay?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Still going?
Yup. Sand.
Dig in the trenches on it.
Yup. Woo. I'm doing this one hand.
I don't think Mom can see us now.
They can. We gotta get right there.
We're up here.
Get up there. You straight there?
Put my hand right in your camera.
Oh, it's straight. That's it. Size.
I did both. So I put my hand. I didn't realize where your camera was. So my finger wouldn't go.
They went up there. Mom says hello. Woo, that was hard.
It was worth it.
It was what?
You know, some things happen only once.
Yeah, you're right.
YOLO. All right, we're heading down.
Yo, y'all should look up there. Hold on, let me get it.
Woo. You know I'm doing
We
too
high
much.
up, high up.
I stained myself.
Look down here.
How'd it get right there? Stay right there, dear.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, this is way too steep. I need to put the phone up. Let's go.
Ooh. You missed some pictures. Jay, look.
Oh goodness.
Wait over
Whew.
here. You missed some stuff.
Wait today, Mom.
Oh, I enjoyed it. I was out with my family. It was such a beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Not too hot. It was gorgeous. Yes.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I hope you liked our video. Make
Yep.
sure you subscribe to.
And
Subscribe to.
also,
Subscribe to. There you
all
go.
right.